Hi everyone, are you tired of digging through tons of links in Google? Here's how to get faster, smarter, and more accurate answers using the Perplexity AI. Let's get started. First, go to your Google Chrome and open the Perplexity AI. Then, if there's no need to log in for the basic use, it's like Google but a way smarter. And then here you can ask questions and detailed questions and it's clear. You need to be specific. You can try different topics that you want to ask. So here you can summarize the key points for the Paris Climate Agreement and more. You can use the follow up prompts. The perplexity remembers the context. Like this example, how does the chat GPT work or what makes it different the Gemini AI? Then here, the follow-up questions will be provided by the Perplexity AI, and boom, instant, there is a relevant results. So unlike with the Google, the Perplexity gives a cited sources for every answers. Click them to verify info or explore deeper. No more guessing what's trustworthy. Here from you can use it for research, learning, or fact checking. From technical questions to academic research or product comparison, it saves you hours for scrolling. Pro tip: try focus mode to narrow results from sources like Reddit, Wikipedia, or Academedia papers. Say goodbye to Google overwhelm. With Proximity AI, searching is smarter, faster, and easier. Try it now and you'll never search the same way again. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.